Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Edge. Open the three-dot menu in the top right and choose Extensions so you see the list immediately. You want to identify the extension to remove because removing prevents background activity and frees memory. Once done, hover or click the extension tile to reveal options. Make sure to note whether it was synced from another device. This step removes ambiguity and sets up safe removal. Do not close the browser until you confirm the extension name and source. You should first toggle the extension off to halt any active processes. This reduces the chance of interruptions. Then click Remove and Confirm. Edge will ask you to confirm uninstall, and this eradicates files tied to the extension. If you need context, choose Manage to inspect permissions and site access. Revoke any retained permissions before removing. Once removed, Edge stops running the extension entirely, and syncing settings will update across devices if you use a signed-in Microsoft account. Once the extension is removed, restart Edge to clear residual processes and caches that might keep remnants. Then inspect Edge, //extensions and Edge // settings to verify it no longer appears. If the extension reappears, make sure Browser Sync is disabled or remove the extension from the device that originally installed it. Syncing can reinstall extensions. One key troubleshooting tip: if removal fails, create a new temporary profile, disable sync. Then remove the extension from the original profile so settings stop propagating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.